The problem with many machines is the clean heads are set at a fixed height above the floor surface. They can't adjust between different floor types. What this means is they have a large gap around the perimeter of the clean head. If we put a light behind, you can just see how pronounced that gap is. That is going to be wasting a huge amount of suction energy, especially on hard floors. So on our machine, we've addressed this problem with a self-adjusting sole plate that seals in the suction. It enables the machine to drive seamlessly from hard floor to carpets and maintain that very tight seal all the way around on crevices. It enables it to drive over debris, and it also enables the brush bar to drive deeper into the carpet and still have very, very easy push force. Looking closer, if I put the clean head onto carpet, you can see that the bellows around the floating sole plate are compressed. But when I put it onto a hard floor surface, it adjusts and you can see the bellows have expanded, and that again is maintaining a very tight suction seal around the perimeter.
Know the feeling? The new Dyson DC39, the cyclone that doesn't lose suction. It's either a Dyson or it isn't.
With DC59, Dyson has engineered a cordless vacuum cleaner that sucks up as much dust as a conventional vacuum, without the hassle of a cord. Its main components are positioned near the hand, so it's balanced for easy, versatile cleaning up top, down below, and in between. The Dyson Digital Motor V6 was developed by Dyson engineers to generate the most powerful suction of any cordless vacuum cleaner. Combined with 15 cyclones arranged across 2 tiers, it's engineered for high airflow and fine dust separation, while its customized battery delivers constant, fade-free power. And with the runtime enhancing trigger, power is only used for cleaning, allowing 26 minutes of cleaning time, so it's on when you need it and off when you don't. Its motorized cleaner head has stiff nylon bristles for deep cleaning on carpets, and carbon fiber filaments remove fine dust on hard floors. It also includes the mini motorized tool for removing dirt and pet hair from upholstery.
This is the Dyson V6 Animal, the most powerful vacuum that is both lightweight and cordless. With 75% more brush bar power, it is ideal for deep carpet cleaning, but also underneath furniture, stairs, and up high. It is engineered to generate powerful cleaning performance throughout your home. The small, light motor has been developed specifically by Dyson to deliver powerful suction. The Dyson V6 Animal removes more dirt and dust from your floors. A mini motorized tool removes pet hair and ground-in dirt from furniture, cars, and tight spaces. It also comes with a mini soft dusting brush for delicate cleaning like computer keyboards, a combination tool for surfaces like kitchen counters, and a crevice tool for hard-to-reach places. A direct drive cleaner head provides 75% more brush bar power to drive bristles deep into carpet.
days of cord hassles are numbered. Dyson's cord-free format transforms cleaning on carpets and hard floors. With the new V8 digital motor, it now runs for up to 40 minutes to clean pretty much anywhere without the hassle of a cord.